Normally, outfits used for photo shoots, music video sets, and film sets, like what you see here, are one-and-done outfits for various reasons that are all valid. But like so many of those beautiful styles, some of the signature looks used so far for the Sounds of Maria visuals can actually be repurposed just as easy as 1, 2, 3. This is the original look for the Georgian shoot, and it's gonna be repurposed for another shoot by using one outfit, 2 pairs of shoes, and 3 beauty changes that include a hairstyle change, makeup change, and accessory change. Et voila! The EGFH style originally used for the Georgian set, repurposed beautifully for a dual point shoes and stilettos Botanical Gardens photo shoot.